3. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit USD on Kraken with a bank transfer. First, open the Kraken app or visit the Kraken website and sign into your account. Make sure your account is verified and eligible for USD deposits. Now, go to Portfolio and select Deposit. Choose USD as the currency you want to deposit. Next, select Bank Transfer as your funding method. Kraken will display the available bank transfer options based on your location, along with the bank account details you'll need to send your funds. After that, choose your preferred bank transfer method and review the deposit instructions carefully. Log into your online banking app or visit your bank, then create a transfer using the account details provided by Kraken. Be sure to include the reference or memo if Kraken instructs you to do so, as this helps your deposit reach your account correctly. Now, submit the bank transfer and wait for it to be processed. Processing times vary depending on the transfer method in your bank, so it may take anywhere from 1 business day to several business days for the funds to appear in your Kraken account. Finally, return to your Kraken portfolio and check your USD balance. Once the deposit is complete, your funds will be available for trading or purchasing cryptocurrency. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to deposit USD on Kraken with a bank transfer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.